Picture a battlefield, a thunderous symphony of chaos and destruction. Amidst this chaos, a Titan emerges, the HV-107 Monarch Heavy Fire Support Vehicle. This is no ordinary machine of war. The Monarch is a Leviathan, a behemoth designed with one purpose in mind: to dominate the battlefield. It's a heavy fire support vehicle, a mobile fortress that can deliver a devastating rain of firepower while maintaining the resilience to weather the storm of enemy fire. Its role goes beyond just dishing out punishment. The Monarch is also a transport for infantry capable of carrying a squad of warriors into the heart of the fray. It's a moving fortress, a shield for the soldiers who rely on it for protection as they move across the battlefield. But the Monarch isn't just about brute force. It's also about strategy and battlefield control. It's an intimidating presence, a psychological weapon that can demoralize the enemy and inspire allies. Seeing the Monarch on the battlefield can turn the tide of a battle, not just with its firepower, but with its mere presence. Some anti-riot and psychological warfare, Omnicore versions, are known to be in the prototype stages. Also a battlefield repair unit, a mobile workshop that can keep other armoured vehicles in the fight. It's a lifeline for damaged tanks and armoured vehicles, capable of conducting battlefield repairs while under fire. The Monarch is not a subtle tool, not a scalpel, rather a sledgehammer. It's a machine of war designed to endure, to dominate, and to prevail. The Ditosian government, GSA, invested many millions of silver truths into the project, an indication of the Lords of the Crux's commitment to victory at all costs. The HV-107 Monarch is a game-changer on the battlefield. It's an embodiment of power, intimidation, and grim grand strategy, a Titan that stands amidst the chaos of war. Its deployment is a statement, a declaration of intentional escalation. Tech specs. The Monarch has a maximum speed of 8. The evasion is determined by the reflexes of the driver -15. When it comes to acceleration, the Monarch sequence is 0 to 1, to 2, to 4, to 6, and finally to 8, indicating a progressive increase. The torque, a measure of the vehicle's mechanical rotational force and towing power, starts at 158 and decreases by 1, with each acceleration step going down to 154. The Monarch's stealth is 1, making it an overtly obvious asset during operations. However, it compensates for this with an impressive scanner value of 40. While the standard Monarch does not have sonar capabilities, it can be fitted with them as an optional addition in the HV-107AM variant. The Monarch's defensive mechanisms are many. It comes equipped with jammers rated at E-Attack 57, providing a formidable electronic defense against enemy scanning and targeting systems. The E-Defense is at a hefty 195, complemented by a collective resilience of 92+, making it a tough nut to crack with magic. But that's not all. The Monarch's armor is a marvel of engineering. It boasts +3 enchanted ultra-high tensile Herculean plating and Eutulium chassis. This is further reinforced by projected vehicular force fields, vehicular crystalline repulsion fields, vehicular repulsion fields, and vehicular energy dispersal fields. These additions enhance the Monarch's armor factor to 38 against metal, 42 against crystalline, and 41 against energy attacks. The Monarch structure is designed to absorb and mitigate damage, with a chance of ignition labelled as nominal. Its integral mitigation is calculated on a D20 roll, and it boasts integrity points of 888, signifying its immense durability on the battlefield. The Monarch is also equipped to traverse off-road terrains, although it is rated as poor in these conditions. It has limited bridge crossing and terrain climbing ability. This heavy vehicle is powered by a quad-heavy diesel internal combustion engine, coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It moves on dual-heavy tracks, leaving a footprint of 122. The Monarch's heavy-duty construction and advanced technology make it a formidable force on the battlefield. It's no wonder that the Ditosian Grand Army continues to order these vehicles, with plans to produce over 100 more in the future. The Monarch's design specifications are intended to create panic in an formidable opposing enemy force on the battlefield. A king is nothing without his crown, and for the Monarch, its crown is its impressive armament. The Monarch is an embodiment of power and precision. Its armament is as formidable as you would expect from a vehicle of this stature. The main silo of Kaiser's Lance surface-to-air missiles, for example, are not just any missiles. They are very highly advanced radar-guided projectiles with a medium tactical range. In a single round, the Monarch can launch a volley of up to 5 missiles, each one capable of hitting a different target. The reloading process is facilitated by the specialized Monarch Squire vehicle, demonstrating the impeccable synergy within the Ditosian Grand Army. In addition to the Kaiser's Lance missiles, the Monarch is equipped with 60 heavy incendiary rockets, 30 on the port side and 30 on the starboard. These rockets are the embodiment of the Monarch's fiery might, capable of causing significant damage at a long tactical range. The speed of the attack is determined by the operator's scores, demonstrating the Monarch's adaptability in various combat scenarios. The Monarch's armament doesn't stop there. It also boasts numerous semi-retractable mountings for standard Ditosian medium Gatling and/or heavy machine guns. These weapons can be deployed or retracted as needed, providing the Monarch with both firepower and flexibility on the battlefield. And the remotely operated twin Utopium light cannon turret. This .85 caliber weapon is enchanted and manufactured to inspired standard engineering, providing firepower with precision and reliability. The turret is capable of delivering bursts of fire and is rapid in elevating/depressing and rotating through 270 degrees, bringing a whole new level of destruction to the battlefield. In summary, the Monarch is a unique Ditosian element on the battlefield. Its armament is designed to intimidate and dominate, bringing both power and precision to every engagement. Each weapon in its arsenal serves a specific purpose, working in harmony to deliver the maximum impact on the enemy. The Monarch's armament is a force to be reckoned with, bringing power and precision to the battlefield. Now let's meet the team that brings the Monarch to life. The Monarch isn't just a mechanical beast, it's a living, breathing entity powered by a dedicated crew and a complement of soldiers. Each group plays a vital role in the operation and effectiveness of the Monarch. At the helm, we have the commander. This individual is typically a seasoned trooper of the 63rd rank. The commander controls the actions of the Monarch, making strategic decisions that can result in glory or destruction. They are the best tank commanders available to Ditos. This ensures that the vehicle and its crew respond accurately to the ever-changing dynamics of combat. Then we have the driver, a 35th rank trooper, and the co-driver, a 25th rank engineer. Together they navigate the Monarch across diverse terrains, maximizing its speed and maneuverability. Their skills are crucial in positioning the Monarch for optimum fire support and rapid transport of infantry. The weapon systems are manned by 2 high-ranking operators, typically 45th rank techs. Their expertise is instrumental in deploying the Monarch's formidable arsenal. From launching Kaiser's Lance surface-to-air missiles to operating the .85 caliber light cannon turret, these battle techs ensure the Monarch brings the full force of its firepower to bear. The Monarch houses a repair crew consisting of 3 20th rank engineers. Their role is crucial in maintaining the operational readiness of the Monarch, conducting on-the-spot repairs and adjustments. Accompanying the crew are an infantry squad of 9 13th rank warriors, 1 15th rank warrior and 3 17th rank outriders. These soldiers bring additional firepower and versatility to the Monarch, ready to deploy tracked cycles at a moment's notice. The crew and passengers of the Monarch are the heartbeat of this machine, bringing skill, precision and courage to every mission. The Monarch is more than just a war machine, it's a fully equipped, state-of-the-art vehicle ready for any situation. Take, for example, its lighting. The Monarch is fitted with 8 trainable UV spotlights. These aren't regular lights, they're ultraviolet, capable of illuminating the darkest night and revealing hidden threats. It's like having a set of superpowered night vision goggles, but built right into the vehicle. The Monarch doesn't rely on sight alone. It's equipped with proximity and infrared sensors. These provide a 360-degree awareness of the surroundings. Whether it's a hidden enemy soldier or an unexpected obstacle, the Monarch can detect it. This isn't just about combat readiness. It's about keeping the crew and passengers safe. Now let's talk about terrain. Whether it's the icy tundra of the Arctic or the blistering sands of the desert, the Monarch is ready. Its extra-wide tracks are designed for both Arctic and desert warfare. These tracks distribute the vehicle's weight more evenly, preventing it from sinking into soft ground. This means the Monarch can keep moving no matter the conditions. But what if something does go wrong? Well, the Monarch is prepared for that too. It comes with a fully equipped and manned tank repair bay. This isn't just a toolbox and a jack, it's a complete mobile repair station. Whether it's a broken track or a damaged engine, the Monarch's crew can fix it on the spot. The Monarch also comes with spare tracks, an extra engine for emergency repairs, and a powerful infantry alert siren. It has a winch system with drilling anchor and chain, and a liquid euphorium towing cable for heavy-duty recovery operations. Monarch is not just prepared for war, but for any challenge that comes its way. Head Director of DI, Key Roles. When it comes to the widely different key roles of the Monarch, a multifaceted powerhouse. Its versatility is unmatched within the DGA, operating as a heavy-medium tactical armoured asset, HMTAA. It has the capacity to provide firepower in various combat situations, assisting ground forces with its formidable aforementioned armament. Its role is pivotal in the course of a battle, its presence alone sometimes enough to tip the scales in favour of its operators by causing a wild retreat and rout. But the Monarch's capabilities don't stop at fire support. Some are rigged in the HS-107 EWV configuration and have a large molecular maelstrom generator in a dome atop a dedicated Hadium agitation radical wave generator. One is also reputed to incorporate a semi-sentient element of Hades that had the recorded history of ancient Earth in the 1920s recorded on it. It also plays a crucial role in the transport of infantry station guardsmen. These being held in reserve as the assault pioneers, Sturmgruppe, take on objectives. They can secure it with fresh troops with full ammunition and no battle fatigue. So any enemy counter-offensive places weary troops against dug-in and stimulated with combat amphetamine, fresh Detosians. It can carry an entire squad of warriors, offering them protection with its ultra-high tensile Herculean plating and Utulium chassis supplemented by fields. The first 9 units were given extra enchantments, etches, and carry the 9 war banners of the Lords of the Crux, which grant nearby war magicians bonuses and/or spells spell range, as they are like the Scrails for nautical magicians, that is, the like massive multi-layered permanent gigantic scrolls. Only Detosian war magicians who know the cipher can gain anything from reading them. This makes it an invaluable asset when it comes to moving troops across hostile terrain, ensuring their safety amidst the chaos of combat. The Monarch also doubles as a refueling or rearming tanker stockpile. The helicopter landing facility ensures that they can be used as a resupply and rearming element if called upon in this role. This is particularly important in the heat of battle, where damage to armoured vehicles can be catastrophic on a strategic and tactical level. With a fully equipped and manned tank repair bay, it is a mobile, ultra-high engineering standard workshop, able to tend to damaged vehicles and get them back into action, and the role of intimidation. The Monarch is DGA's heaviest standard vehicle, a menacing threat that dominates a sector, vulnerable only to overwhelming attacks, magic and air power, only if isolated from the DGA. Its presence is enough to strike fear into the hearts of most adversaries. It's not just about the firepower it brings or the protection it offers. It's the undeniably hostile message stationing it near a sensitive border sends. It's a symbol of national pride in DTOS, and there are privately sponsored special versions in regional centres for firefighting, crop defence, wall construction, hospital, mobile laboratory, command centre, trench diggers, casino, Kwasang welfare, Apex Overwatch, variant HVAO, replaces Sheared Off Mountaintop, and many others. These remain the property of the locally reigning Lord of the Crux and are not officially Detosian Grand Army units. The HV-107 Monarch Heavy Fire Support Vehicle, a capital land ship on the battlefield, it is rated by Emperor Zadrik Zhu as Extremely Formidable Target Priority, OAA-1AJX.